Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sweat a copper shutoff valve. First, gather your essential tools, including a propane torch, lead-free solder, and a pipe cutter. Next, it is critical to completely turn off the main water supply and drain any remaining water from the pipes. Finally, use your pipe cutter to make a clean, straight cut on the copper pipe, ensuring it is the precise length needed for your new valve. Now, let's prepare the surfaces for a strong bond. Use a wire brush or emery cloth to meticulously clean the outside of the copper pipe ends and the inside of the valve fittings. This removes any oxidation or debris. Then, apply a thin, uniform layer of soldering flux to all cleaned surfaces. This flux helps the solder flow smoothly. Finally, carefully slide the valve onto the pipe, ensuring a secure and proper fit. With the surfaces prepared, it is time to solder. Light your torch and begin heating the joint evenly, moving the flame around the pipe and valve. Once the copper is hot enough, touch the lead-free solder to the opposite side of the joint from the flame. The heat will draw the solder into the joint by capillary action, creating a strong seal. Continue until a complete bead of solder forms around the entire connection. After soldering, let the joint cool completely and naturally for at least 5 minutes. Resist the urge to touch or cool it with water, as this can weaken the connection. Once cool, slowly turn the main water supply back on. Carefully inspect all soldered joints for any signs of leaks. A properly sweated joint should be watertight, providing a reliable and durable connection for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.